The shifts that set me free. After realizing I had spent decades grinding in a system that never had my back, I made a choice. I wasn't going to fix it. I was going to leave it. But it wasn't easy. I was in my 70s. I had zero to no tech skills, not marketing experience background for something like this, just a drive to stop the cycle and create something different, something better. That's when I found a system that made sense. It wasn't hype. It wasn't a get rich quick scheme. It was ethical, sustainable, and made for people like me and you who were tired of that hamster wheel. Inside this part, I'll share what makes resell rights different from affiliate marketing, why 100% profit changed everything for me, no overhead, no inventory, what automation really means, and how it can free your day. I'll also open up about the 3 fears that almost kept me stuck forever. The moment I made more in a day than I used to in a week, why this system doesn't require quitting your job overnight. There's no need to. This part is for those who feel the tension. You know what you're doing isn't working, but you're scared of the unknown. That's natural. I get it. I too was there. Comment, reset. If you're ready to explore without pressure, I'll send you what I follow daily, real training, not textbook fluff. Your future self is waiting. All you need is a starting point. You don't need permission to begin again. You just need a plan that really, really works.